Step into the new Vortex 390, a liquid applicator engineered for ultimate productivity. We're going to show you how an RBR machine allows for less filling and more fielding. The Vortex is unmatched when it comes to field coverage. With large 1,600 or 2,000-gallon tank options, you can cover more acres in a day and maximize your return on investment. The Vortex 390 features a variety of boom configurations to fit your operation, ranging from 90 feet to 132 feet. Apply with precision through individual nozzle control, boom height control, and inline plumbing, which also allows for greater protection to the boom structure. The Vortex has an optional continuous boom circuit that leads back to the tank. You can prime the booms on the go and ensure that when you're ready to spray, you have a full-rate product ready to come out of each spray tip without the need to do a wasteful pre-spray. With the boom priming system, there is an air cleanout that allows for compressed air to enter the boom circuit to blow any remaining product out the spray tips or back to the tank. For increased efficiency, the Vortex's loading station has electronic valves that are controlled through an intuitive display. The display allows for one-touch operation that controls the required valves to perform specific functions. The display also includes critical readouts such as machine RPM, sparge setting, pressure, and tank volume. To finish it off, the Vortex features a newly designed self-leveling center rack that's made to withstand the most severe field conditions while offering years of trouble-free use, making it a dependable, heavy-duty machine. It's easy to see why the Vortex 390 is the most versatile high-capacity sprayer for any season. Find a dealer near you to ask about your next RBR machine. Built to last. Built for fast.